Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done a really lovely 2023 M4 BMW with a Halo Mini. So how the system works, if someone was to grab this key, jump in and start it, they think they're away. As soon as they start up, put it in gear, the vehicle shuts down. Okay, really simple and straightforward. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, the procedure is start the vehicle up, insert the code, which we're going to change after the video, and then we're going to get a full beam flash in the corner at the left. Yeah, so tap, 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 tap. There's our full beam flash, and then we're able to put it in gear. See the vehicle's gone into drive, we're about to drive it away, okay? When the customer opens the door, you'll see straight away, you'll see the full beam, double flash. Now the system is armed. If we want to place it in valet mode, this is also very simple. Characteristics of the BMW G platform, without your foot on the brake, you have to hit the start button 3 times within 7 seconds. So tap, tap, tap. Ignition comes on, and then we'll insert the code and hold on the last press. So tap, 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 hold. There's our full beam flash to say it's disarmed. If we keep on holding, within about 15 seconds, we'll get 5 flashes. Remember, vehicle cannot be running, but ignition has to be on. So watch. There you go. There's our 5 flashes. And now the system is in valet mode. It's not speed or distance dependent. Okay, so if I open the door, you'll see it won't arm. We'll be able to start it and put it into gear, watch, and drive away, okay? When we get the vehicle back, basically main ignition on, so tap, 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 main ignition comes on, insert the code and hold on the last press, so tap, 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 hold. Watch carefully. Within about 15 to 20 seconds, we'll get the flash again to say it's coming out of valet mode. So keep watching, keep watching. There you go, okay? As soon as I open the door, the system will be armed, okay? Watch, there you go, system's armed. Yeah. If we want to change the code, this is also very simple. So again, without your foot on the brake, tap, 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 main ignition on, insert the code to disarm it first. So tap, 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 tap. There's our full beam. This time, tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times and it will go into learn mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our full beam. Now we're just going to change it to the paddle shift. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, tap. Start button off within 5 seconds. There's our sight full beam flash. Let's just start it up. And now try the new code. So 1, 2, 3, tap. There's our full beam, and we're able to select a gear and drive away. As I said, this is the Halo Mini fitted to a 2023 BMW M4. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Give us a call, 02890 60478, 02890 60478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.